Hello kids, it's a story time. Two cats and the monkey. Once upon a time, there were two cats and they were good friends. They played together, slept together and went everywhere together. One day, both the cats were playing in the afternoon. While playing, they got hungry. They saw a piece of bread at some distance. They started fighting over that bread. One cat said, "I found it first, so it is mine." The other cat was saying the same thing. A monkey on the tree saw them fighting over the bread and wanted to eat that bread too. He said, "Why are you quarreling? I can help you to share the bread equally." Both the cats agreed to the monkey's advice. The monkey split the bread into two uneven pieces. One piece was large and the other piece was small. He ate a portion from the bigger piece to make it equal, but this made the other piece larger, so he took a bite from the other piece. Now the first one has become bigger. He again took the bite from the first piece. By doing this again and again, monkey ate the whole bread and climbed back the tree happily. Both foolish cats lost the bread and were not able to eat anything. So kids, the moral of the story is, when two people fight, the third one always gets the benefit. We should always be careful that the third person watching our fight could benefit from that situation. So kids, fighting is not the solution to any problem. It only creates more misunderstanding. Instead, we should try to solve the problem by talking politely or by involving our elders who can really help you. Thank you kids. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.